The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montague County in north-central Texas, northern Wise County in north-central Texas, northwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, southwestern Cook County in north-central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Elmwood, or 11 miles northwest of Decatur, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Montague, northern Wise, northwestern Denton, and southwestern Cook counties, including the following locations: Prairie Point, Greenwood, Ralston, Valley View, Lois, Ura, Slidell, Leal, Hood, and Frostburg. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 479 and 491. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arkansas State Police. An Amber Alert has been issued for Bryson Lavelle Hutchinson, a black male born on December 4th, 2022. He is 36 inches tall and weighs 30 pounds. He has curly black hair and brown eyes. He went missing on September 23rd, 2025 at 30 p.m. He was last seen in England, which is in Roanoke County. He may be traveling with Kaikana Monique Hutchinson, a 24-year-old black female. The suspect is 5 feet 4 inches tall with long braided orange hair and brown eyes. The suspect may be wearing a black shirt, blue jean skirt with black knee-high boots. They may be traveling in a white passenger sedan, possible Hyundai Sonata with unknown license plate. If located, please call the Roanoke County Sheriff's Office at 501-566-1223.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service is issuing new severe thunderstorm warnings for southeastern Montague County, northern Wise County, northwestern Denton County, and southwestern Cook County until 8:45. Severe thunderstorm is located near Alvord right now, or about 11 miles northwest of Decatur, moving to the east at 25 miles per hour. This storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Montague, Cook, Wise, and Denton counties until 8:45. Storms in Wise County near Alvord are moving to the east at 25 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding information.
National Weather Service in El Paso has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Otero County in south central New Mexico, northeastern Doña Ana County in south central New Mexico, until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Alamogordo, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Another severe thunderstorm was located over White Sands Missile Range, near Northrop Landing. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alamogordo, White Sands National Park, Northrop Landing, Sunspot, Burro Flats, High Rolls, La Luz, Holloman Air Force Base, Mountain Park, Bowles Acres, Carr Canyon, Oliver Lee State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a flash flood warning for Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, northwestern Franklin County in west central Arkansas, northern Sebastian County in west central Arkansas, northeastern Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Smith, Van Buren, Sallisaw, Chadarville, Mount Tainberg, Natural Dam, Alma, Meadow, Roland, Mulberry, Dyer, Gans, Chester, Moffett, Rudy, Figure 5, Short, Lee Creek, Lake Fort Smith, Brushy, Turn Around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.